Examples of solid fuels are wood, wax, and coal. Examples of liquid fuels are petrol and kerosene. Examples of gaseous fuels are CNG, biogas and LPG. Types of coal. There are 3 types. Anthracite. It has highest calorific value and is most useful form of coal. It has more than 90% carbon. It is known as hard coal. Bituminous coal. This form contains 75% carbon. It is called soft coal. It is used for domestic purposes. Lignite. This form contains 60 to 70% carbon. It is brown in color and catches fire easily. It contains sulfur, hence its burning creates pollution. Destructive distillation of coal. Destructive distillation or processing of coal is done to get many useful products. In this method, coal is heated strongly in the absence of air to about 1000 degrees Celsius. Finely powdered coal taken in a test tube is heated. As the coal breaks down, coke, coal tar, ammonia and coal gas are produced. Coal tar collects at the bottom of the second test tube. Coal gas escapes out through the side tube. The ammonia produced is absorbed in the water, forming ammoniacal liquor, ammonium hydroxide. The black residue left in the first tube is called coke. Formation of petroleum started approximately 400 million years ago. Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. When these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. With increasing temperature and pressure, it is changed into a layer called corrosion by anaerobic bacteria and chemical processes. The sediment layers may be folded as a result of tectonic movements in the basin. Over billions of years, it gets converted into liquid called petroleum in the absence of air, under high temperature and pressure. Natural gas is also formed with petroleum. An oil or gas field forms when the liquid or gas moves through the pores and spaces of permeable rock and collects within the pore spaces under an impermeable trap. Refining of petrol. The process of refining is done to separate different constituents from petroleum. In this process, crude oil is heated to above 400 degrees Celsius in a pipe. Its vapors are allowed to enter into a fractionating tower having different compartments to collect different volatilities. Different products are obtained at temperatures. For example, Petroleum gas is obtained at 20 degrees Celsius, gasoline at 150 degrees Celsius, naphtha at 200 degrees Celsius, kerosene at 300 degrees Celsius, diesel oil at 370 degrees Celsius, heavy oil at 400 degrees Celsius, and other residue are left in the last.